Folks, here we are at the Wildwood Resort Hotel, getting a tan on the beach, having a margarita. Or we're doing the staircase Garland for Christmas, right here on my take on Home and Garden. Guys, did you think we were on the beach? It doesn't look very beachy, does it? You know I wouldn't let you down, and we got to do the staircase Garland for Christmas. Now it needs to be different this year, so I'm gonna start off different right away. These swags were used on the fireplace last year, and I'm gonna put one at each end, I think. Now I've got this boxwood this year. You know, you saw it in the shopping haul. And usually I'm using the big heavy pine, which you saw last year, and we're gonna be totally different this year. See what we gotta do. Anyway, the plastic coated twist ties really help to keep your paint job, you know, nice and not have a problem with that. So let's see how our boxwood's gonna look. And we have 30 spindles, so we're gonna count 10, 3, 6, 9, 10. That's where we're gonna tie. We don't want to see the end, so I'm bringing that inside. Now we can go over the top because we're gonna dress some of that. I don't want to count on just those spindles because the whole thing could slide down. That'd be nice while your company's sitting here talking and the whole thing goes down like a garage door. Oh man. I've been dying for this boxwood. It's gonna be a total different look. Now I'm gonna get the 3 swag pieces on and we'll take off from there. Okay guys, I've got my boxwood swag going on. And I've got a space at this bottom post. I want to pull that in a bit, plus it's hanging low. And then I want to fill in this space and incorporate it into this pine more. So we'll see and repeat. Put one on each side. I'll just bend that into a hook. And get that going on both sides. And you know the biggie to keep this nice is to hide your joints, your stems, and so on. Okay, so any of you nervous Nellies out there that were worried about me pulling in that bottom on the post, we got that tied in. I got the last swag pulled up with the rest, so we're nice and even here now. I got the computerized lights this year in the little mini teardrops or whatever you want to call them. Good heavens, I mean, they give you some wire. I usually gotta complain about what they give you. This set from Amazon will link in the description box. We're just zigzagging back and forth, and I know I've got plenty of lights. I think I can go up and down this twice, but instead of going up and down twice, I'm gonna double around and put twice as many in a space. Starting to look good. I'll probably be coming back down here. Maybe I'll go around the corner. We'll see. There are a lot. I think there's 200 if I'm not mistaken. But I want to get plenty on here. Okay, now, now what's he done? What I've done, I've taken another 3 boxwood swags and done the other side of the railing. So both sides are done. From the end, it looks like a big, thick, interwoven garland. And I've got some more pine to run up on top, and we're gonna move some cameras and show you up there. Okay, so I got 3 pieces to come around the corner and fill this in. It looks pretty funny at first. And I've used every piece of green wire in the place. And I'm gonna put 2 little brads in. I mean, teeny little tiny brads in here. If I want to fill them in the spring, it would take almost nothing to fill it. These stems are always wrapped, and the joints are wrapped together. So we're going to take the rest of our lights that we saved enough, hopefully, which I'm sure is quite a good bunch left. And the trick, of course, later will be to fill this in. So we're going to leave a little extra grouping of lights for when that gets filled in by a branch or a pick. See, like this. If you zigzag back and forth, you will use up the lights you have. Look at where I'm at. That's it. That's it. Oh, I'll tell you right now, it's not Christmas without some gold beads. You gotta have some strings of beads. So that's what we're doing next. And I just happen to have about a mile of them. Because I just think they're so important for that Christmassy look. Some of you out there might have gave up on them years ago, or your best friend told you they were out of style. Okay. I haven't met the style pope yet that I can tell him off that he doesn't own the rest of us. You do what your heart says, what's pretty to you, and that's that. I think everybody agrees. I like to follow the swag here. You get lots of these ring ends that you can tie to and junction to, you know, from the garlands. I like that too. 1, 2. I'm gonna need another one. Saving that big green one. Every year I use every single twist tie in the house. And I'll stand by the bread waiting for that one to be done. Because I need it. Yes, I have floral wire. But again, sometimes I want a certain color. You know, like on the greenery, I want green. Look at it. Looking good now. I like it just off the green, and it looks, you know, gravity will do the work. And pull that swag drop even. Now I'm going to do the back and catch this up. We've got some beautiful bells. Somebody might split all four up by themselves. I just don't agree. I want to put these, I think they're cuter in a cluster like this. Let me know what you think. Now we're going to twist tie them into our quagmire of ties and junction here. Any good? I can't see from down there. But I'm thinking it's really good. Well, this is where we finally get to have a little decorating fun. These are pieces from a job I've saved, and we're going to feather in to give it more of a floral, festive look. Now we're going to disclose why I bought the cocoa poinsettias this year. Coming up right now. So guys, here's our color scheme for this year on the staircase and the main tree. Gold, white, cocoa, copper, burnt orange, and burgundy. That'll give you everything out of the bag, so you know what we're doing now. Cover this end on this side with a poinsettia flower. See, that's such a nice junction hider and cord and twist tie hider. That's one of the best tips. So here we are at the top of the stairs finishing up. You know, I took a couple more pine swags to fill in, and we're going to continue this color scheme up here. And again, very few of these left, but oh man, they're cute. And then we want to get our colors in here, because you'll see this from down below. Ooh. These are more vulnerable to getting bumped. Now I'm going to get some different colors and do a lot more here. Try to get this finished up, because I figure you might want me to take you and show you all around. Maybe. I don't know if you care about it. So guys, if you liked our video today, in the harvest colors, give us a like, share, a comment, send a buddy over. Send a snowman, a pair of skates, a BB gun, or a dolly. That's for Angela. Thanks, folks. Take care now, and we'll see you in the next Off the Chain incredible Christmas decor video.